Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make red sauce pasta easy method. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil, add 200 g pasta, and cook until al dente. While pasta cooks, chop 1 onion and 2 garlic cloves finely. Heat 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan and sauté aromatics until translucent, then continue with the sauce in the next step. Heat the pan with aromatics, then add 400 g canned tomatoes and a splash of pasta water for silkiness. Stir in 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon dried oregano or mixed herbs. Let the sauce simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes while you taste and adjust seasoning. If it seems too thick, add reserved pasta water a little at a time to reach a glossy, clingy texture. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It fills the kitchen with clear sound and makes timers and recipes hands-free. It's small, affordable, and adds fun to your cooking routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Add the drained pasta directly into the simmering sauce and toss for 1 to 2 minutes so the pasta absorbs the flavors. Stir in a knob of butter or 2 tablespoons, cream for a richer mouthfeel, and add 2 tablespoons reserved pasta water if needed to loosen. Serve immediately with torn fresh basil and freshly grated Parmesan. Plate warm, taste once more, and adjust salt or pepper before enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.